everyone, and welcome to another edition of Byte of Geek. Today I'm going to be taking a look at a Lenovo tablet, Tab 4. This is an Android tablet, and this is something that I picked up recently just before Christmas to replace a Dell Windows based tablet. So without further ado, let's get to looking at this tablet. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up a slide here with some of the stats so you guys can see what this tablet's all about. So it's got a 1.4 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon CPU on it. It's an 8-inch version of the tablet. They do a 10-inch version as well. This is the 8-inch one. So that comes with a 1280 by 800 IPS display. 2 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM and 16 gig of storage, which is expandable as well, so you can chuck in a 64 gig card if you want to. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, BGN plus Bluetooth 4.0. It's running Android 7.1, and the quoted battery life is approximately 20 hours. It also has dual front speakers as well, so you've got a nice stereo sound there, and apparently it has Dolby Atmos. So we will see what that sounds like. I picked this up off of Amazon. I paid £99 for it. It does fluctuate between £99 and about £130. So keep an eye on it. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can get to the exact model. When it does come in, it goes out of stock very quickly. It's quite a popular tablet. It's got that Lenovo quality about it. But you can get that £30 price reduction. That seems to be every 2 to 3 weeks that it seems to drop in price like that. You can buy it elsewhere, obviously on the high street and things like that, but it is more towards the £130 mark than the £99 mark. So, okay, so I'm going to get to unboxing this now. You can have a look at what you get inside, and we'll turn it on and see what it looks like. Okay, guys, so this is the box that you get. The tablet comes in. You see, nice Lenovo branded box. Tab 4 8 in the bottom corner there. On the back, got the usual specification, all the stuff that I read out before. So let's get this bad boy open, and we'll take a look at what the actual tablet looks like. So get this shrink wrap off here. Nice Lenovo security stickers on this, so you look out for those. Make sure you're getting a genuine product and not something that's been tampered with in some way. And just get that there, on there as well. So what do we have? Okay. One tablet, one safety warranty and quick start guide. I believe these come with 12 months warranty, so that's all great. And yeah, a little bit there about when you switch it on, it's going to connect itself to the internet. You get your power cable, USB at one end, micro USB at the other, so that's good to see. And also you get as this is a UK version, excuse the rattling of the bag, nice 3-pin plug with a USB connector on, so use that for other bits and bobs. Anything else in the box? Nope, that's it. So a couple of booklets, plug, cable and a tablet. Nice and straightforward and simple. So your tablet There you go. And it comes in this little cellophane bag. Yeah, I don't know whether you can actually see that there. It's a lovely glossy screen. Doesn't actually seem to have any kind of cellophane on the top of that, but other than this little sticker on the bottom there. Yeah, this is a nice slim device. What I'm actually going to do is, so you can see how thick this is, I'm actually going to just put my iPhone 7 up against this so you can see the thickness in comparison there, and just try and get that into focus for you guys. So it's very, very, very similar in thickness to an iPhone 7, which is absolutely fantastic. That's what you want in a nice tablet. Okay, so I'll go through the startup process on this. You switch it on, you get a little vibration there, and this is real time, so you'll see exactly how long this takes to boot up. And say this is running Android 7.1 according to the box on a 1.4 gigahertz CPU. So we'll just go through the setup process here. And so I'm just find out my network. So you put in your Wi-Fi, and then you sign in with a Google account, which you can use your existing one or create a new one. Okay, well, I've used my existing Google account that I've got there, and now I'm being asked if I want to create a Lenovo ID to receive personalized experience and service. So I'm going to skip on that, and have device protection, so it prevents other people from using your device without your permission. I'm just going to skip that for the moment, and then you've got the usual pages and pages of license agreement there, and do you want to join the Lenovo user experience program? No, we don't. So you can have this as multi-user. I'm just going to keep it as me for the moment, and there you go. There is your device there. Usual Android setup. So you've got your Google apps. You've got Microsoft apps there. You see, so by default on a brand new install, you are looking at 8 gig over the 16 gig already used. So bear that in mind. You may need an additional memory card to go with this. Let's put location services on. Okay, so yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a very nice looking screen, very bright. I say these are volume controls on the side there. Quite quick to change orientation there, which is quite nice. That is actually a lovely screen. That I don't know whether you guys can actually see that there in the camera picture. and you've got all the other built-in apps on there as well. Skype and YouTube. So let's have a quick look at something on YouTube and see what the quality comes out like. Well, let's go to my channel. So this is one of the recent videos I uploaded. If you haven't seen that, you get an idea of the quality of sound there as well. Both ends of the device.
Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of Byte of Geek. Today
I'm put that in.
A review of some over-ear headphones, the new retro headphones. Slightly different style, maybe to what you've previously seen before for over-ear headphones, but I'll be taking.
You should check the quality on that.
So, without further ado, let's get to it.
There you go, it's better.
Okay guys, so this is the box that the headphones come in. Nice silvery grey type of box with a picture of the headphones on the front.
So, yeah, absolutely lovely looking screen. Very nice to scroll, very responsive. Very, very light tablet as well. You know, you can. It's something you can hold this in your hand. You know, I suppose I've got average size hands, but you know, you can probably you know, quite easily sit there reading, or you know, reading books, or watching videos with this without getting too much strain in your hand. Yeah, so let's have a look at the camera. Just bring something in there to focus. So you can see, I mean, you know, this is not too bad. Not too bad a lag on that. It's pretty good. You can rotate the screen onto the front-facing camera. All in all, guys, you know, you obviously you're buying a bit of a name there as well for the quality, Lenovo. Yeah, so you know, even at £130, if you manage to pick it up at that price, it's you know, it's quite a good bargain for, you know, a brand name one. I know you can pick up cheaper ones, lesser known brands, but you know, Lenovo do have quite a good history of quality products. And obviously, if you can get it that £30 cheaper, at just under £100, then I think, you know, you've actually got yourself a nice bargain there. Yep. So I'm off to have a proper setup of this and a proper play of it, and you know, see what I think generally. But first impressions, it's a very nice device, very solidly built, and very impressed. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, can I get a like rating? That'd be really good. Subscribe to the channel, of course, and you know, leave me some comments in the down below. Let me know what your thoughts were. Let me know what else you'd like to see on the channel. Do you want to see more of the photography stuff? Do you want to see more, you know, the tech-related stuff? You know, you guys let me know, and I'll see if I can create some of that content for you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.